Hey guys, it's your girl FaithL93. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And today I have a little tutorial for you guys with a low curly ponytail. So first I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and I also use my Redken leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to be blow drying my hair using the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. So that's what you see me doing right here. I'm just going to blow dry my whole head out, braid it up, and just kind of keep those sections out of the way and keep them detangled. Okay, woo child. So now I am done blowing out my hair, and right now I'm just trying to decide if I want to do the little middle part with the low ponytail or if I want to do a side part with the low ponytail. And I opted to go for the middle part because my head is kind of egg shaped, and I just think the middle part looks better with the way that my head is shaped. Okay, so now I'm just taking the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and y'all, I would highly suggest not to use this Edge Control because although it did lay my hair down real flat and smooth, it did leave white residue after a while. So I was constantly having to like re-wet my hair, go back and put the gel back on, and y'all, it was just a hot mess. So yeah, don't do it. But right now I am taking that Edge Control, and I'm taking my hard bristle brush, and I'm just brushing my hair down, trying to get it as smooth and flat as possible. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Okay guys, so you know that you cannot have a sleek low ponytail without having your edges on fleek. So right now I'm just taking out a little bit of my hair around my edges, and I'm gelling it down with that Edge Booster Edge Control. Once again, don't use it. And I'm just going to go in with my toothbrush and my comb, just use a combination of both to get my edges the way that I want them. Y'all, don't mind my sideburns because my sideburns are a little bit long and I don't know how to swoop them and make them, you know, look cute just yet, but we gonna get there. Okay, so now I'm about to take my spritz and just kind of spritz my hair all over it just to give it that extra hold. And I'm about to lay my rapid styling strips across my head to make it even more smoother. And this is just what's going to lay everything into place. Okay, so now I'm just taking my ponytail and I'm braiding it all the way down, and I'm going to pin it up into a little bun so that I can start adding the fake hair for the ponytail. Okay, so I am using the Outre Dominican Curly, and it does come with 4 different lengths. It comes with two 22 inches, a 20 inch, and an 18 inch. I'm going in with the longest length first, the 22 inch, and I'm bobby pinning it down to my head. As I showed y'all, I am using 2 different types of bobby pins. I'm using the kind of wide open bobby pins and also the closed tight bobby pins. So I know y'all probably like, sis, like we can't see. So I am so sorry y'all, but I did turn around after I realized this. I'm like, they can't see me put this around my head. So right now I am showing it to y'all. I turned backwards, and as y'all can see, I'm just wrapping the hair around my head all in the same motion. Every single track that I'm putting on is going in the same direction. also, y'all, I just secured bobby pins throughout the ponytail, just wherever I thought that I needed them to go. And right now at this point, when I put that last track on, I took some loose hair and I kept wrapping it around, because you do not want your tracks to show where your ponytail is. So you need to wrap loose hair around it so that it covers it. So I'm going to be taking a few more pieces of the curly hair and wrapping it around. And you want to go in the direction that your ponytail is going, because if you go the opposite way, it's like pulling your hair off of your ponytail. So don't do that. Okay, so right here I put a little spritz around those pieces of hair that I just wrapped around my ponytail, and I'm also going in with my paddle brush and I am brushing out these curls, because right now they ain't popping like I want them to pop, and it's not big hair like I want it. So in order to get that big hair look, I am brushing them out, honey. Okay, so now we're about to take these wrap strips off, because my hair has pretty much set. And y'all, I love these wrap strips, and it really it makes my hair just lay down so smooth. There were hardly any frizz, and it just looks so good. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product of what my hair is looking like. I used 3 bundles from that little pack of hair. It came with 4, so I have like an 18-inch left. But yeah, I had to put my earrings on and put some lashes on, you guys, so that y'all can see like the full look. Well, this ain't the full look because my face ain't beat, but when my face gets beat, auntie. Okay. So this is how my hair turned out, and so far I like it. It was super duper quick and easy. We'll see how I sleep on it. All I'm gonna do when I go to sleep is just put my scarf, my satin scarf, around my head, and probably put my bonnet on to cover up this hair in the back. Since it is synthetic, I don't want it to get, you know, tangled or messed up quickly. I do wish this hair was a little bit longer though. It's supposedly the longest inch that I used was 22 inch, but I wish it was a little longer. Overall, I think I did pretty good, and I like it. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this hair tutorial. I'm gonna try to get some more hair tutorials out for y'all, some more natural hair videos, all of that stuff for you. Leave a comment down below if you like this style, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.